Hello, mead maker friends. It's that time again. Cattle battle. You're saying, what? What's cattle battle? Well, I'll tell you. Cattle battle is part of Mead Stampede, and Mead Stampede is our annual mead competition in collaboration with myself, doing the most brewing, Man-Made Mead, and Feywood Mead, and we have an awesome committee of folks that also make it happen, as well as a panel of guest judges, which we're looking to expand this year. And Cattle Battle is a competition within Mead Stampede. While all the other categories are judged by the quality of the meads, Cattle Battle is judged by how well it matches up to the mead we make. Cattle Battle is incredibly unique because it is not necessarily skills-based, it's skill and luck-based. You're trying to replicate the flavor profile of a mead that we have made that you can neither see, smell, hear, or taste. It's Cattle Battle. It's exciting because it's a complete roll of the dice. We had a bunch of participants in Cattle Battle last year. I hope we'll have a bunch again this year because it was some of the most fun mead to taste through as we were trying to compare it to our mead, our official competition mead, and see who got the closest. Totally a fun upside down flip of how competitions generally work. And again, all of our other categories are judged by quality. Cattle Battle is just its own thing. So this year, the ingredients for Cattle Battle's challenge are hops, citrus, and honey. So that's your parameters. You could make kind of anything from hydromel to sack mead, sparkling or still, sweet or dry, but your goal is to get as close to what we make flavor-wise. Last year, I brewed our Cattle Battle mead, and it was a different set of ingredients, and we had one that really came pretty close in the final judging. This year, Man-Made Mead is brewing our Cattle Battle, and so you really want to think about how he might brew with hops, citrus, and honey. It could be, again, anywhere within any style range as long as it adheres to those ingredients. So that's your challenge. We're announcing it here in November, so that way you have plenty of time to test recipes and brew it up. We will be judging Mead Stampede in the summer again, probably in July. And so you just have to have your mead ready to ship by kind of early summer. So you have plenty of time to brew up your Cattle Battle mead and get it perfected and get it sent in to Mead Stampede 2023. It'll be our third year doing Mead Stampede, and we anticipate it will grow again. We take a lot of pride in being a competition catered toward mostly beginner level amateur mead makers. So we hope you'll enter Mead Stampede. All the information on Mead Stampede will be available at our website as it becomes available. But for now, get some hops, get some citrus fruits, get some honey, and start making mead. Cattle Battle, the only competition I know of where you're trying to brew like we brewed, not brew the perfect mead. Until next time, happy brewing and cheers.